So quiet and relaxing.
You wouldn't even heard our Rose's hiccups for miles.
Day 48 just hits different. Good morning, happy Monday. Drop-in host Rose and Kelsey here. We have brought you to Highlands today. Thought we'd switch it up on a Monday. It's gorgeous out, but holy heck is it frigid. I don't know what it is about today, but it is like seeping into our bones, the cold.
Yeah.
I actually got hiccups because I was so cold. So if you hear me throughout the video making weird noises, that's what that is. We're gonna take some laps out here. It's really nice and quiet and just go for some cruisers. So let's start skiing.
See you out there.
Kelsey, you gonna do the bowl this year?
Oh yeah, with way more snow.
Bowl with way more snow. We're gonna film it for you guys. It'll be her first bowl hike ever. So get excited about that this season and do your snow dances so we can get up there sooner rather than later. Here at Aspen Highlands on this beautiful but absolutely frigid Monday morning. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. We'll catch you on Wednesday with a takeover from the Aspen Valley Ski and Snowboard Club, which we're super stoked about. Until then, have fun out there.
See you guys later.